Hey, Chad. Something's wrong. Let's do that. For some reason, I can't see my chart. There we go. Okay, seems like we're having some problems here on stream. Having some problems. Okay, seems like we are fixed and back in business. Does it sound good? Let me know if it sounds good. Hey Tian, welcome my brother. Hope you're doing well. Okay, seems like everything is fine now. Seems like everything is fine now. Okay, so Crash got stopped out there yesterday, minus 30 on the day for me yesterday. Away Homo sapiens. Hey Nico, welcome my fellow human. Yeah, like seeing I've been living that age now, we have to address it like that. Hey my fellow human, because apparently aliens exist. Apparently so. Sorry, I just want to put the link out to IG as well. But while we do that, let's quickly run through the straight of. I know Nico capitalized on this after getting stopped out. I know Nico capitalized on this, and look at price at TP1 was almost hit. It literally, like it smacked me and went up. Yo, it literally just tapped me and went out and went up. But I will say that is the thing also about Crash. Like it's so volatile. Like I would never use a 50 pip stop on it. I would never use 50 pip stop on it. I can't see myself doing that. Come now, man. Yeah, I really can't wait till I have an assistant. So I don't have to do all the stuff myself anymore. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. let's look at the Asian range over here. Let's see what price has been doing, and then also go look at the structure over here as well. So Asian low is untested, Asian high has been swept. However, we can see that price, the break of structure. I have to go to the 15-minute. I rented the same point, fat gambled. Yeah, but it paid off though. It paid off though. Literally, it paid off. Just looking further over here. We can see this was the supply. Reacted, broke above, equal lows, break of structure. Let's look in the 4 hour. Oh no, so definitely, I would definitely consider a position over here in the fair value gap, just below this liquidity level. And the reason why I would take that level is because it's most likely gonna sweep slightly below it. So that's the zone I'll be waiting for, and I'll do the exact same thing as yesterday. 30 pip stop. Okay, maybe I'm gonna take a 35 just to be safe, and then literally just target that high. So something like that basically I'll look for on crash 300 today. Let's see what else we have on the table. Boom 500. Boom 500 just dropping like there's no tomorrow, so there's nothing on the table over here. But we're just gonna mark out this Asian range and see. We can see Asian low swept, Asian high untested. I don't buy boom, so I'll be very honest, I'm not gonna waste my time looking at it. We can see currently this Asian low has been swept, so I do think price is gonna start pushing towards the upside, towards the supply zone we have over there at the December low of last month. Could crash 500. Oh, look at this thing. Rude. So still nothing I can do here on crash 500. It's really slow on the market, guys. It's really slow. Crash 1000. Oh yeah, guys, we have some laptops we're selling. Like for real, like got a nice deal. Someone bought a shitload of them. I just need to get it on here. And it also comes with warranty, so that's also cool. 6 months warranty. Let me just throw that on there. Okay, I'll throw it on now. Okay, let's do this. There we go. So that's the original price of a 10,000 rand. You can get it with us for only 5.5. 5.5. So if you're looking for a laptop, let me know. Looking for a laptop, let me know. There's limited stock, limited to one per person as well. So 5,500 for those laptops. They're going for 10,000. Grab me one as well. Incognito, welcome. Jiva, hey Dylan, welcome guys, welcome. Okay, crash 1000. Also same thing over here. Nothing on the table as yet. And also the reason why I wouldn't consider longs here is because there was no full clean break of structure at this level, so it doesn't count in my book. So once again, no man's land for me here on crash. So literally crash 1000, crash 500, boom 500. Nothing on the table there for me. Nothing on the table there for me. Lekker boys, ik kijk naar sales of V25. Nice Joshua 500. Okay, V25. We'll look at it in a second. Boom 300, boom 300, boom 300. A risky play, yeah? A very, very risky play. But it could be beautiful as well. It could be beautiful as well. My only concern is that untested Asian high. But I will keep an eye on it. I'll keep an eye on it. And let's see if we can get some potential sells here. Initially, I wouldn't want to force a trade. Like, I don't just want to get in there at the supply because, I mean, it's too obvious. It's too obvious. So what I want to see basically is something like this happen now. I want to see something like this happen. I want to actually see them break through this level. So, okay, let me go to a lower time frame. Let me show you the lower time frame. So basically, I want to see them kind of hold this level, pull back, break it, so that this basically indicates this is a flip. Come to this level, fail again, change character, and then look for a sell. At this exact same level, it's just I'm waiting for the exact moment to, I'll be getting into it. So I won't rush it. I won't rush it. Okay, so we have boom, 300 can crash 300 potentially on the table. Okay, boom. 1000. Today is Wednesday, so the 13th is reg. Okay, so nothing there as yet for me either. Andreas said V25. Is there anything to the left? Ooh. Andreas, you want to sell all-time highs here? Actually, I'm not sure this is all-time high. It can't be all-time highs because the pair has been around. It's just the Deriv is limited on here. The Deriv is very limited on here. Yo, Andreas. Okay, nee, kijk, nee. I take that back. I take that back. This is looking juicy. It's looking juicy over here. We'll look at USD in a second for CPI. Okay. Quite the zone actually. Quite the interesting zone. That's Asia high, and we have an inverse fair value gap with what some would call a normal fair value gap. Muhammad bin, what's good, Jiv? Hey, I'm all good, man. I'm all good. Can't complain. How are you doing? How are you doing? Okay, so there's our zone. Andreas, you're gonna keep an eye for us now? Ooh. Okay, let's start off looking at the dollar over here. CPI today. It is CPI today, ne? It should be CPI. Yeah, CPI. Okay, as you guys know, what I usually do in this news, I formulate patterns in my mind, and I formulate the bias. I think I have an idea. I think I have an idea of what to expect. It's gonna be an ugly one though. It's gonna be an ugly CPI. It's gonna be an ugly CPI. And if you're in the wrong, oh, that's gonna be ugly, guys. I don't think you understand how ugly it's gonna be. Like, yo. Wait, this is. Wait, what? Oh, we marked out that level there yesterday. So, with that said, it's gonna be an ugly CPI, guys. I see wicks coming. I see wicks coming. I see wicks coming. So I'll be very strategic with this one. Very strategic with this one. It's either you're just gonna do this, It's either it's gonna drop straight down. It's either it's gonna drop straight down. And then when we hit this level, yeah, either we're gonna break through it, or we're gonna bounce off it a bit and we're gonna continue lower, Alternatively, the other outlook there is this thing could pump up, inducing people that that CPI is gonna sell, but then you're gonna have a massive wick. You're gonna have a massive wick to the downside. I'm just saying that is what I'm expecting to happen. But I think downside movement is inevitable, but you must be very, very careful of spikes. Very careful of spikes. Nico, I'm on it. I'm on it. Oh, this is literally asking to get clapped. See, the thing is, I don't want to sell from here. I don't trust sells on gold, especially now. Hey guys, I was looking at this earlier at EU, and do you know how upset I am? Do you know how upset I am? Because we took a buy over here. We took a buy over here, somewhere around this region. And we closed it for minus 3 pips. And look what this thing did. Okay, so EU, here was that last supply. You can see that lines up with the Asian high, that's beautiful. So leaning with my buyers, like I said, with the spikes, I think EU's gonna get some buys here. Buys to the upside. So if that's the case on EU gold. Oh, but gold didn't break. Oh, the gold. See, gold's a tricky one. Gold's the tricky one, yeah. Oof, gold is really tricky. I had a buy on gold, 26.8203. Let me quickly go back to that. 26.82. So you entered more or less around 82. So more or less around this level you entered. TP hit for a $7 move. I wouldn't trade gold after CPI. Are you still in positions? Oh, you said TP one hit, so you still have another TP open. Nah, Dylan, bro. Ekers, bro. I salute you on that one. I think gold's gonna push up as well. If you're still holding it. My only concern is if they're gonna pull back, they might just do this Asian high. That'll be close to your entry. GU on the other hand, we never got into this trade. Also missed it twice. Wait a minute. Okay, so okay. So I'm just trying to read the pattern here quickly. Structure. Hey, my only thing is like it looks choppy, man. It looks a bit choppy. I don't trust it. EU looks the cleanest. EU looking the cleanest, yeah. Jevon, remove the laptop screen from the... Or remove to the bottom right of your screen. Oh, I see what you mean. My bad, brother. My bad. Okay, there should be hidden in plain sight. My bad. So yeah, this is the move I'm expecting to see happen in EU. I wouldn't trade Naru Bushel Chief. There's a techno ad in the way of the screen. My bad, Naru. I moved it. Bullish on EU. Yes, Nico. I'm bullish on EU. But also with that said, I'm also bearish on the dollar. Okay, so we're looking at V75. We're looking at boom 300. Damn, my bad. My bad, Mr. Basha. All fixed now. Okay, boom is fighting. What is Crash doing? Crash 300 still at that high. Okay. So now we just wait because the market's gonna be slow now until the news comes out. I must just be smart about this now. I must just be smart about this. Not bad. Ooh. I'm bearish on EU. I just dropped analysis on Discord. The EU Emperor has spoken. Incognito is bearish on EU. Incognito is. Oh yeah, guys, in the Discord, here's a link to the Discord. If you guys have not yet joined the Discord, there is a news bulletin which you can join. There is a section on there for the news bulletin which you can check out. Yeah, okay, I see what Incognito is getting to. It goes back to what I said here about the dollar. See, it's a tricky one. Like I said, it could be a messy CPI. Because my only fear is like it's one of those things again where I'm trapped within the range. I can't do anything if I'm either here or down here. It's one of those things. So we'll see if we do enter our position. Also, do you remember yesterday when I said maybe Ripple can go its all-time highest, man? That thing is going for it. Dylan, do you know why Ripple, guys? Do you guys know why Ripple did this yesterday? Hello? Oh, dan ga ik gewoon vast. Ik ga mezelf mute. Oh yeah, so like I was saying, Dylan, do you know why Ripple did this yesterday? If you on stream yesterday with us, what time did we stream? We streamed around this time, ne? And around this time, we started talking about Ripple, and then Dylan, it's because of us, bro. It's because of us. We push price up, bro. We endorsed it too much yesterday, so we must do the exact same thing today. Guys, we're gonna go down a Ripple rabbit hole. We're gonna get even more all time. We're gonna break this level. We're gonna come break this level. Good afternoon, Jivy, you sexy thing. Hey, Jerry and Rao. Welcome. You're gonna see Ripple's na Naru Basha, sorry man. Naru, am I saying your name correctly? Or can I just say Mr. Basha? Or Mr. Oh, I don't know. I hope I'm saying it. I hope I'm saying it right. Do I stream around at this time every day? Yes, I stream every day. Every day, 3 o'clock, you'll find me live. Some days we start earlier. Some days we start exactly at 3. But every day you'll find me here at 3 o'clock. I'm trying my best so we can do live in the morning as well. But I do have commitments in the morning. Jeff, move the mic. Is it too loud? Is it better? So yeah, you'll find me live every day, just in the mornings. Okay, perfect. So yeah, just in the mornings. I have things to do. You know, responsibilities, meetings, admin, these things. I'm a one-man show, bro. I do everything on my own. So sometimes like I'm sure you guys know Benton forearms. If I wish I could be like forearms, so I can get more stuff done. Hey Jeff, Luna was giving me prompts yesterday. When I wanted to buy. What was the problem? What was the problem, Jarian? I don't have interest in gold, but if I had, I'll be bearish on it as well. Drop my reasons on the Discord. Yeah, I can agree with that one. The reason also why I'm skeptical on the CPI is how the patterns look. Like if gold, for instance, did something like this before the news, like that, I'd say okay, maybe flipping, maybe there's a chance for bullishness. But the fact that they are holding the supply, they're above Asia high, Asian low is untested. It's a bit, and also looking at the structure over here on GU. Seems like supply is holding more than this demand. So who knows? Maybe we even get if the news comes out positive for the dollar, and we have a higher we have dollar trading higher, then maybe, just maybe, when we get down here, we might catch the retracement. I think on EU we also have a very similar setup, yeah, like down here. So yeah, DXY really scares me. The fact that it's trapped. Yeah, I don't like this. I do not like that. I love watching you in 2Gs, but I saw afterwards you were gone. Yeah, let's just leave it there. I'm here now. Kept giving me to verify email and things, but when I do verify, it doesn't send confirmation email. That counts up and everything is running. Jarian, did you check your spam as well? Send me screenshots. Imagine we're all wrong. Too funny. This is what I'm saying, Dylan. Like, I have a feeling that it's gonna be messy, bro. I have a feeling it's gonna be messy because, like, the way it's looking, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes one direction and turns around with a massive spike. Yeah, Jevon, your mic is really good now. If you're not sure, 3 fingers which is standard. Hey, sorry, bro. Sometimes I like to fray the mic. So basically an hour till the news. I think DXY will drop them push pull, so I agree it's gonna be a big wick. And you know, yeah, I don't understand the conspiracy theorist with everything, but it's also the first CPI of the year, you know. It's a bit hectic. Jaden, go to support chat on Luno. App is nogal legend. Gooi hem een message. I've had a little kak like that before. Yeah, nee, same here. Like I can agree with Nico. I can agree with Nico. I've never had problems with Luno, bro. Never had problems with him. The only person I've seen a problem is someone who forgot their logins from like years ago, and they had to like take a picture of them next to their ID, written Luno, and that was like the funniest thing ever. Like I took the picture, and man's going through all of it, just get back into his account. I'll send you screenshots and something else with 60 lion. Oh, 60. Oh, I'm somehow calling myself a lion, yeah. 60 thing, roar. Hey, Mr. Bash, it's vibes here, my bro. It's vibes here. Get liquor with the mic here, so who doesn't have a little bit of, who doesn't like a bit of karaoke? Bro, I must get used to this now because it feels like I'm too far away though. It feels like I'm too far away. I have a high hit rate on news because I don't trade any, but the day I do, I know God make an example of me. That's funny. That's funny. Yeah, but I reckon, and I don't know who they are. I reckon then they are, but drop it in the next couple of days before Trump takes the seat. Even on the Instagram, Jerry, and you can also message Luna on Instagram. They respond. Tell them Jevon sent you. They know who I am. I know that very well. We've all been taking screenshots of Little Luno. Nah, not me. Guys, I'll be honest with you, So how I started using Luno was in COVID 2020. The oil market crashes. The markets are going crazy. I put in 200 rand. 2 days later, 24,000. I withdraw the money to Skrill. Skrill knocked me with 1,000 rand. With the withdrawal fee, I never get the money. They take 1,000 rand. I'm like, fuck it. I put money back into the Deriv. I'm like, how can I get the money quickly, man? Oh yeah, the problem with the Deriv back then, I didn't trust ZingPay to pay to my account. So I just like, it doesn't make sense how, because they didn't ask me for my account number with ZingPay. That didn't make sense to me. So I got an account with Luno. I will never forget it. My first transaction was in Litecoin because I was still looking for the cheapest coin to use. Litecoin. And I've never, that's when I withdrew the money. Guys, think about this, You trading, you use your brokers giving you 2 days withdrawals and stuff like that. You go to the Deriv, you withdraw the night, the next morning you have the money in your Luno. You withdraw from Luno 15 minutes in your account. I was like, shoo, Luno's must the shit, I must come here more often. But then they obviously only offered crypto. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna use this place to move my money quickly and effectively. That's when I started making more money with trading in COVID. And then it got to the point I withdrew over, I think the cap is 20 or 30k, somewhere along that region. There's a cap on Luno. Once you make money on Luno, you can't, they would allow you to not have an account with any, okay, I don't know how it is now, but back then, you didn't need an ID. it was like crypto, like crypto exchange, like anonymous. Not now, not this thing where they report to SARS now. Not this. Nee. I wanna withdraw money, and then they're like, I have to verify my account, my identity. Then I was like, hey, for crypto. That's when I realized, nee, this crypto thing, there's more to it. There's more to it than what meets the eye. People say it's people say crypto is untraceable, but you can actually trace. You can trace to which exchanges money goes. So the thing is, if you send money, if someone tries, like, here's a good example, ne? For the idiots out there who get scammed via Bitcoin, who send money to people using Luno. Luno, you can't withdraw too much money on Luno unless you and remember they track your accounts also. So you can't open a new account, send to your account, because they're gonna pick up, but we really send this person money on this other account. So if your ID is then linked to your crypto, does that actually make crypto untraceable? No, it doesn't. Crypto is still traceable. Anyway, ne? My point is, ne, I love Luno because I've never had any problems with him. And the only problem I had was when I had to verify my documents to withdraw money. And that was like just an upload. And ever since that day, if any problems I have, like, send one message and I get a response directly from them. I don't go to the live chat. Go to the IG. Speak to the people on the IG. They love watching reels on the IG. Anyway, please don't sing too much on the mic if you know what I mean. Jerian. Bro, I told you, bro. You are making eyes for what the things we do, bro. People are gonna know we diddle each other. Maar jy sal mos weet. Ons altyd sing mos op die mic. Guys, share the stream and give it a like. Yeah, yes, please, guys. Please like the stream. Please share it with your fellow traders. There's currently, it shows, okay, so my end, it shows that there's 17 people watching, alright? If you're a trader, most likely you know another trader. Most likely you know a few traders. So if every person can just message 2 people and send in the link, we can triple the viewership. And then maybe, okay, let's do this. If you guys can push the stream, so we can have 100 viewers before CPI, I'll do a giveaway on stream and I'll give someone free. I'll give someone my course for free. Okay, so I don't know if you guys play Fortnite, eh? So they added a new gun yesterday. 2 days ago, they added a new gun. The railgun. They added the railgun yesterday. A headshot is 180 damage. Yesterday, for the first time using the gun, I gave someone a headshot, and I killed him. So I even gave the railgun a new name. It's the Diddy gun. You want the free laptop? Okay, now we're talking. Now we can make a deal. Incognito, now you're talking. Maybe now we can. Now we can talk, ne? Now we can talk. I'll do that. I'll honestly do that for someone, ne? I'll do that for someone. Let's get 100 viewers. Before CPI. Let's get the subscriber count to 1,300. And let's get the likes to 50. So 100 viewers, 80 new subs, 50 likes, and I'll give away a laptop. I'll speak to the guy with the laptops and we'll do a laptop giveaway. But the thing is, it has to be the effort has to go both sides. The effort has to go both sides. So the only way we can open up the challenge for you guys to even for one to be selected, we have to meet the criteria. So we need 39 more likes, we need 85 more viewers, and we need 80 more subs. Okay, let me show you guys what I see. Okay, ne? It shows 14 and 15 concurrent viewers, so I'm assuming it's hovering around that region, ne? So we need 100 concurrent viewers. 100 concurrent viewers, 39 more likes, and then 80 more subs. 80 subs, 50 likes, 100 viewers. I'll give away a laptop. We'll ship it out to you. A brand new laptop. So if you're smart about it, there's scammers out there, who spam people's groups with links, There's people who scam. There's people who spam groups and individuals with links, and all I'm saying is you can spam a group with a chance to win a laptop. If someone hit you with a railgun, just go in with a sword, they're gonna learn. Bro, Nico, I'll send you a link video, Nico, to a video my brand sent me. Moving with the sword, bro. Bro, you break a brand's camera, like you confuse the living out of him. You confuse him. Tell your followers as well. Let's do that. Okay, so where were we? Whoa, pause. All I do is hold the camera. So it's keep it secret. Jaden, keep it secret. If people wanna know what we do, they must come find out. Wink, wink. Um, we are low key fucked, but it's okay. It's okay, bro. It's okay. We have to embrace our inner. um, damn it, man. Okay. Incognito. Incognito. If this does this, nee, in the next few minutes on the 5 minute. If this can do this and flip, then I'll be more keen to sell. Then I'll be very keen to sell. It's looking good so far. We have about 5 minute candles must form. So it can still happen. It can still happen. Okay, nothing. They can crash it. V25 pushing up. What's boom 300 doing? just let the guy know there as well quickly that hey, I'm not just gonna give the laptop away. I'm gonna obviously buy it. I wish those. Oh yeah. I wish those paying gurus for news signals would just top the or we just stop the account with that money. The music has stopped for some reason. Money for some reason to take a gamble. It's a 50-50 chance at the end of the day. That's very true. That's very true. But you know, Cognito, do you know what it is also, ne? They make so much money under IB commissions, ne, that the money they blow is like next to nothing compared to the commissions they'll be receiving. Jerry, if you see my yes, it's Asian low, can you please have a look? Let's have a look at it. V75 incoming. V75 incoming. Ooh. Interesting. Oh, Jadian. This thing is literally like on the Asian low. Wait, mitigated. Let's look at the internal structure. I would say maybe take a chance around here. Oh no. Oh, VC. Oh, damn. Exin no. My bad, Jadian. So there's a mistake here somewhere. V75 one is. We'll just rename this one. Okay, let's have a look at this. Oké, Jevon, kom eens kijken, kom eens kijken. Come now. Ooh. Alrighty. Okay, nice reaction there, nice reaction. But I'd love to see them tap the institutional point. Okay, let's see what reaction we have here. Let's see if we have a slight push lower. Yeah. EXY is making me question myself and my abilities. Yo, look at this morning. Still no validation for me. Seek and destroy. Seek and destroy. Okay, we are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting. V75 in my zone target. V75 in my zone talking the. Did you into already, Jirian? Did you into already? Almost. Okay, that's what I want to see. I want to see them tap that level. Beautiful. 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 Let's see now. See, Jevon, why I have my rule of not trading gold after 12. Look at its price action. Let's see. Disgusting. Yeah, nee, bro. I know these setups. This is usually where I get clapped. There's like, bro, it's like there's no structure. There's like literally no structure. Nah. Okay, okay. Noted. Okay. Mr. Breitenbach, are you here? Are you here, Mr. Breitenbach? Where are you? Price at your zone. Shoo. Het lijkt lelijk hier, jong. Yo, I can't enter something like this. And to see more formation be formed. Maybe do something. If Price can maybe do something like this. Like pull back, sit the low, form a higher high, hit the Asian high, change character, then maybe. But currently a no-no for me. Currently a no-no for me. V75 has other plans. V75 has other plans. Oh, it's choppy. It's just running. It's moving. Okay, so it looks like it's been validated. Okay, let's see what's happening over here. Nice reaction of that level. CPI in 13 minutes. Let's see. Oh, it's messy out here. It's messy out here. Ed Lana, welcome man, welcome my brother, hope you're doing well. We're patiently waiting for CPI over here. V75 invalidated. V25, nice reaction of that level. Okay. Please be a darling. Please be a darling. Refill him, please. Thank you. Hey, Callan, welcome, man. It's going good. It's going good. Can't complain. Can't complain. How are you doing, man? Actually, regret not taking this trade now. But I'm still expecting something like this to happen. Okay, invalidated. Let's just check the other piece. What's Boom doing? Oh, Boom is just running. Crash 300. Always good, man. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. I'm getting so impatient with CPI. Just want the markets to basically do its thing now. I want time to move faster. Thank you. No, I should could have just gone myself because I'm gonna eat it out now anyway. I had $1 on my Deriv account. So I decided to trade for fun. I'm up $4 on a XRP long. Well, to be honest with you, the last I think 2 or 3 events didn't really move Ripple. It's like it didn't really have any movement. However, anything is possible since like it's XRP USD. Yeah, man, I really. Yo, that sounds so funny. Yo, that sounds so funny. At I'm gonna get hurt with CPI. Marcus trade jags vandaag, yo. No. Yo, Nico. Kan ik klaarlachen, yo, sometimes, yo. Yes, yeah. Guys, I'll be honest with you. Like, I'll be honest with you, man. The fact, like, I have mixed feelings about DXY. I have mixed feelings about DXY. Like I said, one of two things. Either a straight shot down into this level, or we're gonna have a pump up to this level and reject down. And we're gonna have, most likely by the end of that 4-hour candle, have something like this. I mean, it wouldn't be far-fetched if you follow what the pattern is doing. It wouldn't be far-fetched if you think what the pattern is doing. Could the second one be here? Could the second one be there? So you see, I have mixed feelings about it, but I do know that there's gonna be a point where which I'll have to look at in the near distant future. My only thing with that also is with EU. EU is in a flip zone. The price has flipped bullish, so that's the thing now. If DXY does pump down all the way, then we could see a straight shot in EU. However, if it does have a spike, we also don't know how far the spike might go down, but knowing EU as well, it could be like a little spike and then we pump up. Or alternatively, also something I've seen multiple times is, like with news comes, it's like your supply and demand doesn't hold. So it could easily also just break through this level if DXY does create that pump towards the upside. So I'm very careful. Like I said, this is a zone I'm looking at. I'm actually okay, I'll put it this way. I'm hoping that we can have a strong move down on the strong move up on the dollar, so that we can actually push price down towards these zones down here, which I have on EU and GU. I'm back. 7 minutes to go. I get jealous when you call Wi-Fi pit names. But I call you pit names too, Julian. I just can't do it you on stream. Compliments of the season. Hey, boss Bobby, long time, my brother, long time. How you doing, man? How you doing? I gaan nou kom jullie nemen. Gaan nou kom. Okay. Is that low 60 tone voice that gets me? Say my love to wifey. Will do, Jaden. 3 minutes till all y'all breaks loose. Ja, nee. Kom eens kyk. 1 minute to go. I just went to go wrap my daughter's head quickly for some good luck. Yo, this thing is just moving. Andreas is eating. What are we gonna watch? Guys, quickly, what are we gonna watch? Watching EU, watching... What are we watching? I'm not gonna trade it. Maybe After Effect, but... I just don't trust DXY, man. Okay, let's watch DXY. Gold. May the odds be in your favor. No, I'm not trading it. I'm not gonna trade it. No. I can't be so uncertain, and then that's just gambling. I have to buy nappies and stuff. Like, I can't be taking risks like that. Okay, hier gaan ons. Even if I did take it, I wouldn't have been tapped in. Because I would have placed a buy limit. It's weak though. It's okay, Incognito. We can't catch them all. I rather prefer seeing this than being wrong. Jaden smashed gold. Jaden took buys. Jaden trade alleen. Hy gee nie van signal nie. And remember what I told you guys yesterday on stream, day before. I think yesterday. If we could get in the day before, we don't even have to trade the today because we'll be in profit the following day. Like, we just see our profit sky. You can literally go back and go. Clip that when I said that on stream this week. But yeah, like, I missed like so many trades this week. Okay, I'm not saying missed. I cut EU early over here. I literally cut EU with -3 pips. I cut EU -3 pips somewhere over here. And ja, that's almost mooi geweest het, jong. But it's alright. Can't catch them all. Wow, dollar weakness, interesting. DXY was pointed down, so I grabbed gold buys too. Remember when I said maybe we're all wrong? Fuck, I wish I had a partial position and go. Yeah, now it's pushing. But like I told you guys, man, the fact that I wasn't in my zone, like, I can't do anything. The only thing that was missing was the spike. The only thing I'm missing was the spike. I just took a bank close my out for the best. sounds like when we diddle each other. Close our eyes, hope for the best. Hey, Jerian calling those buys there. Alert, alert, alert. USDT is crossing something. Okay, interesting. Baie interessant. Baie interessant. But knowing these pairs, these zones won't hold. These zones won't hold. It's happening here. Yo, what happened there on gold now? What did you do? What did Ripple do? See why I say Ripple is like it's not as affected as much. It doesn't even look like there was news there. But hey guys, that's the vibes. That's the vibes. No trades. No trades. But I think this is a very good confirmation for me for the zone. So gold got the all-time highs again, or 72.42, 70.42. I wouldn't be surprised then. I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, Jadian, like, okay, bro, like, I think we're taking it too far now, bro. We're taking it too far now. We're really gonna get in trouble for this. You're really gonna think we're diddling each other. Do you guys think that if you use a leverage collective trading forex pairs for news, you could make way more? You could make more banks. Just say the DXY. Yeah, definitely, Dylan. Definitely, bro. Like, you end up on rodeo space. Jeff putting 4K. Hey, yeah. I see some of the guys doing OnlyFans. It's getting rough out here for the Owens. The guys are selling themselves on OnlyFans. It's really rough. It's really rough. But Dylan, to go back to your question, yeah, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna make an example quickly, I'll make an example quickly of leverage and the way I understand it. So your leverage makes your margin smaller. So let's say you trade a 1 to a. I'm gonna knock this glass over and on my PC. Say 1 to 100 for a 0.01 lot. It costs, let's say, just make an example. Say, okay, it sounds outrageous, but let's just say $10, ne? Then you get leverage of 1 to 1,000, for instance. and then a 0.01 would cost you 0.01 would cost you like, let's say, $1. Damn it, $1, ne? So this means then basically if you're trading, let me just split this real quick and make it bigger as well. So that means, so we're gonna make an example like this. The top block for that account, we'll make it orange. Now let's say your balance on this account basically is, let's say your balance is, let's say $100. That means your max trades you can open on a 0.01 would be 10, right? Because then you basically full margin your account. Whereas this account over here, oh, I'm doing this wrong. I'm doing this so wrong. You'll be able to, with that same balance, you'll be able to put 100 trades. Understand what I'm trying to say? So then basically, so leverage can definitely allow, so leverage is a double-edged sword basically. You can either lose a lot of money very quickly or you can make a lot of money very quickly. So I'm not promoting Xness or anything like that, but bro, if you trade with Xness, ne, you can get leverage of 1 to unlimited. So that means if you enter a trade, bro, your margin stays 0. Because even if you get NFP Forex pairs move like crazy. Yeah, like bro, like if you had like just an example, if you had an Xness account and just scored 40 pips, and let's say you funded with $10, bro, you could have thrown like 0.50 lots on there. It's crazy, bro. You can make money, bro. Now, Dylan, eh? So, ne? Do you guys remember? Coach sold this. He sold okay. Oh, yeah, FBK modifications. Remember? DJ Coach used to sell the strategy modifications, and he charged people 20,000 Rand for it. Do you guys remember that? Do you know what he does, ne? He basically opens 2 accounts. Same broker, max leverage. Recommended 1 to 800 plus, ne? You open an account, same broker, let's say Dylan, like you and me. You fund 1,000, I fund 1,000. News comes, ne? Bro, we full margin our accounts, bro. You buy, I sell. One account blows, other account makes back the money plus extra profit. Because the leverage is so big, bro, ne? Like, for instance, let's say we only catch this 40 pips, ne? Let's say we only catch that. By the time price reaches here, like let's say around this point, let's make it 10, right? A quarter way to the move. The account's blown, you've made back the money. Then you make back 3 times the amount of the account basically. It sounds dumb, but it works. But I would never recommend anyone do that, because if it spikes both ways, you'll gaan huil. I said it, yeah, kids, stay driving DXY down before Trump saves the economy again. I don't want to sound like a conspiracy theorist. Look at that. Like I said, come to this level, react. But it didn't tap my zone. It didn't tap my zone yet. And with 40 pairs on the forex space a lot, but it's a lot, especially so quickly. So quickly is my bro, for 40 pips so quickly. Can't be greedy for that. Can't be greedy for that. I want to say something now. There's something I want you guys to notice regarding news events. Notice this. I think there was also news over here. If I'm not mistaken. No, it can't be. It's Monday. But usually price has this tendency of doing something like this just before your supply and demand zone after a news event. Price has a tendency to do this by not tapping the zone. This is not financial advice. Trading involves high risk. Please read disclaimer. Yeah, guys, this is not financial advice. Please, like, use your eyes. Like, read on the screen. It says there, entertainment purposes only. Like, you guys are here to watch me blow my accounts. Like I said, you guys don't want to follow my trade because I'm the worst trader ever. So, do with the information what you will. Oh, this is a tricky one, eh? It's a tricky one. This is a very tricky one. I am tempted for the speed, to be honest. I am tempted for it. For further longs. I don't want to get clapped again either. And this will be a very simple one if I do it. Won't be going over the edge with it. Simply up until that high. What's the best account to use on Deriv? I'm not supposed to learn Deriv. Either the zero spread synthetic, or well, the synthetic accounts are now called derived accounts. That's one you're gonna go for. Anyone with the synthetics, bro. Like, these spreads are so, bro. Even if you trade a normal account, the spread is so tight, bro. Doesn't even look like there's a spread. So obviously you still pay the commission on the spread. And you pay commission on the zero spread. So either account is still alright. But it's completely up to you. There's no financial advice. I'm just saying. Like a JV, what did I just say about the laptop giveaway? Yeah, but we didn't reach the target. I said if we reach it before NFP, then I'll do the giveaway. And we've gained no subscribers. We have 3 more concurrent viewers. We have, I think, 6 more likes. But I think I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to give you guys some time. But I'm going to set some... I actually thought about it when I was inside now. So, let's do this instead, ne? Let's do this instead. Because remember, guys, I'm gonna be paying for this laptop out of my own pocket, man. I'm not a guy who claims that, oh, I'm just trader. I have all this money. Guys, I make money, but I'm not rich. I'm not rich, you know. I'm not there yet. I'm not where I wanna be. I'm not where I wanna be yet. You know, so but one thing I will never do is portray myself as this person who has this money, who can just do things, you know. So I am more than willing to pay for the laptop, you know, and give it to someone. I honestly don't mind doing that, you know, because it will be very, very cool to do something like that for someone. Like, however, like, it's gonna cost me 5,500 rand, you know. So, like, let's make it worthwhile, you know. Let's make it worthwhile. So I'll give you something if you guys give me something, and I mean, you're standing a chance to win something of the value of about 10,000 rand, the laptop and my course. So I was thinking about this. The goal, 1,500 subscribers. Alright? We'll set a target for a time and date and things like that. I'll think about it more. I'll come back with info tomorrow. I'll make a video on it. I'll post it to IG, to TikTok and stuff like that. We'll set a goal. We'll set a goal for 1,500 subs. Once we reach 1,500 subs, we will do the giveaway. Because clearly that was really short notice. But also I wanted to also see what would happen. There is enough stock, like we can obviously just keep one. But it will be very cool to do something like that for you guys. But I'll come with more information tomorrow on how you guys can, on how we're gonna do it, the time period, the end date, and knowing me, I'm gonna do it. No, don't say that. I shouldn't. Adrian said this to me 2 days ago. Jevon, you want people to see your value, but you don't even value yourself. And I'm actually gonna touch on that real quick as well. Why we're taking longer with the offers. Adrian said to me, and Adrian, really shout out to you, man. Shout out to you, Adrian. Adrian from HFM. I was actually he's the guy who ran the Vault Marcus George office. He left Vault Marcus George. He's with HFM now. So we had a conversation about business and how people perceive how people perceive us and so forth. Then he said to me, Jevon, like, you want people to see your value, but you don't even value yourself. And he said to me, these people with money, they don't give a fuck about you. They don't give a fuck whether you're a good person, whether you want to yell people or things like that. All they care about is making money. And it took me a very, very long time to understand this. Like, and really, guys, like, why I'm saying it, like, that's also why I removed some of the stuff from my YouTube, because it feels like I've put so much effort and time into some of the content I've put out. It's been on there for months, years, and it's like it slipped on, And it's like I feel like I go out of my way for everyone, but no one's willing to go out of their way for me. So I'll make a good example of this, which Adrian said to me. He said, this person is a multi-millionaire, but they're expecting you to do this. And he asked me, Jeff, can you do it? And I said, I don't know, but I'll try to do it. I'll do my best to do it. I can make a plan to do it. And he said, but it shouldn't be like that. You can't. He said, you can't go to the ends of the earth for these people. And I'm talking about people in general. But then it's like, what do I actually reap from that? What reward do I actually reap from? Understand what I'm trying to say? So that's what I'm saying also, like, with the giveaway, like, let's run the channel up, guys. Let's get it up to 1,500 subs. Let's get the channel to 2K. I want to get to 10,000. Trust me, guys, like, do you know what my biggest fear is? My biggest fear is, like, I have a streak or something, and I make a shitload of money. And then now that I have all this money, not that I claim to make, I've actually made this money. Like, My worst fear is when that happens, I'm like, fuck it. Fuck everyone. That's my worst fear. I'm not saying that will happen, but I always feel like that's my worst fear, when it's like, I'm working so hard towards something, but it's like, I don't get recognized for it. Because I know for a fact, if that must happen, I'll go on another avenue with that money. Understand what I'm trying to say? I also don't want to feel like, like I said, man, like, doesn't matter how good my intentions are, and doesn't matter how much I want to help, how much I value I put, when it's all for nothing, then, like, what's the point, So just bear that in mind. So where were we? I just saw JV started was the whole day. Now it's all good, man. It's all good. So that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna give everyone some time so everyone can do it. I should have yelled at the triple trade. I closed the trade before. I should have yelled at triple trade. I closed before CPI. Turned my dollar into 7 today. Could have been 15 if you yelled at CPI. Remember, bro. Like, I get you, but always be grateful, though. You know, always be grateful. Always be grateful. That's $6, bro. That someone doesn't have. $6 is how much? Almost 120 rand. What can you do with that, bro? You can do a lot with that. It's bread, it's milk, it's electricity, it's potatoes, it's tomatoes. So like, be grateful for it, you know, and just keep on doing that every day, bro. Keep on doing that every day. Compound it, bro. Compound it. You'll see within a few days, if you consistently do that properly, bro, you'll see. But not a single day goes by without me visiting your Insta. Nah, appreciate it, man. Google Ferrari and Toyota Crown Sport. Which one are you buying? Okay, let's see. Incognito coming with some tests, yeah. Okay, let's search that one and. Okay, let's put it on here. Let's see. Which one am I buying? Okay, let's start with the Toyota, with a Toyota. Okay, interesting. This was like a Urus or something, yo. Okay. No, it's not bad. It's really not bad. It looks nice. Oh, it's a hybrid. Huh? It's not that pricey. Okay, let me not say that. It's pricey for a Toyota. Okay, let's check this one. But it's the exact same car. Wait, what? It's the exact same car. Okay. Let's see. So they go for more or less the same prices. I feel like the smart decision. I feel like the smart decision to make is to go with the Toyota. You guys do understand why I say a Toyota, ne? Get it? A Toyota. It's the exact same car. Jeff, alsjeblieft ook om je in te gevatten. So basically, I wanted to see a better change of character. So I just feel like the stop would have been a bit big. I just feel like my stop would have been a bit too big. Okay, now that I think of it, actually, it wasn't that bad. But I wanted something like this to happen, basically. I wanted to see that pullback from here, a higher high, change character, and on this level over here, then something like that. But someone said, sorry man, but it was a good trade. Did you take it? 100%. Someone said most are prepared to get $20 a day, but not willing to close a $20 trade and profits to achieve in 5 minutes. That is very, very true. And that incognito, that right there, ne? Everyone read that comment. Someone said most are prepared to get $20 a day, but are willing to close a trade and profits achieved in 5 minutes. Then some people ask me, ne, why don't I have all this money I have and whatever the case? Or why don't I have all the money that other traders have? And that's simply because when I started trading, I didn't want to work a job. My goal was just to make 3,000 Rand a month from trading. Just 3,000 Rand a month from trading. That's how much I wanted to make. And that's where I am today. Where I can comfortably just pay my rent, sort out food for me and my wifey, do the things we have to do, have fun, live my life without having to work a job. It's a choice you have to make. And that's also why it's taking me so long to get to the point where I'm at, because most of the profits I have to make, I have to spend in my household. And that's what most people don't understand about me. And I mean, that's the reality of trading. That's why we all start trading. Because we all want to make money so we can at least just pay our bills. But to go back on your question, Incognito, which car would I take? I think the safer option is the Toyota. Toyota. Because I feel like the smart decision to make for maintenance would be to go with Toyota, because Ferrari parts are expensive. I think that's a smart decision to make. And then you can like just modify the car so it looks like a Ferrari, maybe. Just like maybe remove the stickers and the logos and replace it. Oh, DXY. Come on, man. Oh, so I sit there. Broke through. Look at that. Look at that. If only yesterday. I see. It's okay. It is what it is now. It is what it is. I think Toyota did Ferrari bad with the design. Funny part, Toyota came with it first. Damn. Damn. That was also like, aren't they beefing or something? Because like, did you guys see that video of that dude? He makes a post on Instagram, and he's like, I'll collab with any company that comments on this post. The companies start commenting on they like, we'll pay you not to work with us, and that guy got roasted. Looking, and that's another level of roasting. If blue tick companies come to your post to come and roast you, they just say we don't want to work with you. Yo. But hey guys, I think I'm gonna gooi now. I still need to do a lot of things. So if you are in need of mentorship, hit me up on WhatsApp. Let's talk. And then also here's the link to our Discord. I don't think we're gonna have any trades on the session. But if I do look at anything else, I think we wait quite a long time for some setups over here. But I guess he still got the traction. Hope he's monetized. Wait, what was I saying now? Oh, yes, 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 yes. Sorry, I was so confused now. Like, what did I just say? But hey, guys, always a pleasure streaming for you guys. But like I said, I don't think we have anything else on the table here for us today. We're gonna have we'll probably wait a long time to see something. I have another meeting. I take a picture for the new design of the YouTube thumbnail. So be busy with that. Yeah, our trades are very far from our zones. Post CPI, can't look for trades. So I'll see you guys tomorrow once again. Same place, same time. And hopefully tomorrow I'm at home tomorrow morning. Other than that, guys, groot liefde. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll let you guys know about the laptop giveaway. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.